to the 18th most expensive structure ever built, the Deer Island Wastewater Treatment Facility. It cost $3.8 billion to construct, but it was worth every penny. It's the reason why our harbor is as clean as it is today. For not too long ago, very much within living memory, Boston Harbor was one of the most polluted harbors in the country. This was due to the city and its surrounding communities pumping their sewage directly into the harbor for decades. It had gone so bad that the people of Boston sued the city and won. A federal judge ordered the construction of the Deer Island Wastewater Treatment Facility out here in 1984. Each one of these giant egg-shaped containers stands 130 feet tall, and they are called sludge digesters. I know, it sounds very appetizing. Wastewater is pumped directly into these digesters, 360 million gallons of it a day, and inside it's separated into solid and liquid waste. The liquid waste gets purified into near-drinkable water before it's pumped 10 miles out to sea. But the solid waste gets converted into fertilizer pellets, and that gets shipped down to Florida to fertilize the orange groves down there.
Whoa.
So, the next time you're taking a nice, cold, refreshing glass of orange juice in the morning, just give a little thought to the good folks here in Boston and our little contribution to your morning routine.
Now you know.
You're very welcome.
Kaya masarap yung orange nila sa Florida.
Now that effectively ruined orange juice for everyone on this vessel, we're making our way back into the inner harbor. At this point, I'll be taking a brief break from the narration, though I will resume again once we make our way past Logan Airport. From there, we will cover East Boston, Charlestown, and more on the second half of our tour today. But as we make our way back in there, I'd like to invite folks at this time to take photos of all the beautiful sights here around us. And, oh my goodness, let's see here. Off our starboard side here in the water, that just dove underneath. I believe that was either a harbor seal or a harbor porpoise. Yes, as it just dove under. Those are two marine mammals that we see here in Boston Harbor. The larger marine mammals, whales, you normally have to travel about 25 to 30 miles out to the open Atlantic Ocean to see them. Still quite a lovely sight to see. Actually, when it was coming in, when it was making its way over here, it was kind of funny because it looked a little bit like a sea serpent, which actually has been reported in our harbors, though that may have been due to seal, eel, and porpoise activity way back in the day. But you can now see why some people make such reports. Now, we also have a truly beautiful view of our city skyline directly off our bow. A view you can only really get when you're out here on the harbor like this, and today it looks particularly spectacular. So please, take photos while you have the opportunity. But as you're doing so, I would just like to remind folks to be mindful of your footing as you get up and move about, as we may still pass by other vessels and more boat lakes on our way back into the inner harbor. If folks have any questions for me, I'll still be available. I'm up on the top deck. Feel free to come and say hello and ask me any questions that you have. I'll do my best to answer. Once again, my name is Kevin. Just look for the man in the blue shirt and the purple sunglasses. Thank you folks for joining us on this beautiful morning out here on the harbor. We'll resume the tour again once we reach East Boston.
Buddy, what's up? What's up, Doc?
What's up, Doc?
That's why I said, what's up, Doc? Where's Ate? Where's Ate? Is she at the very front? It looks like it. Okay. There's the aeroplano. Aeroplano coming.
Oh, the airplane? Just go like this.
Oh, howdy. Howdy. Spirits Airline. It's howdy.
What?
Oh, andito muna sa howdy. Howdy. The howdy. How you doing?
There's a picture.
Dali. Pag bumaba na si howdy. Si Spirits Airline. That's what it says on the kwan. Sa kwan nila. Howdy. Yan, nakababa na siya.
Wow, we're getting closer.
I know.
What if that girl wasn't alive? Mommy, what if that girl was actually alive? She was just unconscious a little bit and then woke up buried.
Hindi ko pinakinggan.
It's just a
Sabi-sabi lang yun. Oh, dito. Nasaan si Daddy? Yan. Okay. Ngayon. Oh, till private one. Payapay kanyak lakay. Yeah. First ate. O FedEx. Kaya yung mga FedEx nyo, ini-aeroplano na. Asa ng LBC, wala yata. FedEx lang ang merong aeroplano.
Only passing us on our port side, there is a helicopter. You'll see that it's orange and white. That belongs to our local Coast Guard here. And a bit later in the tour, we'll pass by our Coast Guard base, but right now you can see where the helicopter's going by.
haunted.
Fainted?
She's haunted.
Oh, akala ko fainted. You scared me. Hindi naman pala naka-turn on. Kanina pa ako nag-video. Hindi naman pala naka-turn on. Hindi na. Ay. Si Papa Utin, oh. Si Papa Utin. Oh, ang bilis naman ng maliit na yan. Ang liksi ah. Sobrang maliksi. I think so. Tara sa baba. It says Boston Harbor Cruises.